Hi, the 7-day crash course prepares you for the AMC clinical exam. If you're looking for something to brush up all of your topics or you want to have some role plays being done, the 7-day is something that will prepare you for all the topics. Each day we cover OBGYN, psychiatry, medicine, surgery, and 2 days of physical examination with one trial exam included in it, which gives you 16 stations. If you're looking for something to role play with a tutor who's already passed the AMC exam and knows exactly what approach you should go ahead with, so 7-day is something that can prepare you for sitting before your AMC clinical exam. It gives you 7 days of preparation, which really equips you for sitting your AMC clinical exam. It does include a trial exam which has 16 stations, in which they all are the same, all of the topics being covered, with the feedback being given to you straight away after you finish your exam, that what you think you should have been covered and what not, pass or fail, how many sessions you pass, what you really want to work on, your history taking, differential diagnosis.